Hello and welcome back to How to Build Software Without Coding. I'm Mr. Hackathon and I show you how to build software without coding. And in this tutorial, I am going to show you how to test your API request or test your functions in the GPT builder. If you've been following my recent tutorials, you'll know that we've been exploring building GPTs in OpenAI's GPT builder. And functions is a great way to have your GPT talk to other applications outside of the OpenAI ecosystem. Here I have two functions that are talking to my spreadsheet, a Google spreadsheet that I have. I have my schema here, which basically tells OpenAI how to actually talk to that spreadsheet. I have two functions here. So you can see one function is get, so it's going to retrieve information from this spreadsheet where that's titled products. The other one is post, where it's actually going to submit information from my GPT to this other spreadsheet that I have, or this other sheet that I have called Lean Business Canvas. What we're going to focus on in this tutorial is just testing it. So as you can see right here, once you have your schema, your Open API schema, if it's correct, it won't show any errors here, and you would actually be able to see these available actions. I don't have any authentication on this. For best practices, you probably want some authentication on your API requests. To add it, you will just go here, you select API key or off. So we're going to go back, but I don't have any authentication. And to test it, I'm just going to hit test. And what it should do, it should retrieve information. So you can see it's talking to the spreadsheet. So it's retrieving information from the spreadsheet. And this is directly in my spreadsheet. This is not all the information, so it seems like it's summarized some of the information. And so what we're going to do now is test actually adding information. So you can see here, we allow this. And it has added information. So I'm going to show you what this actually looks like. So if I So the information it was retrieving was from this spreadsheet. You can see green habit, you can see health sync AI. If we go back and go up, you can see green habit, health sync AI. You can also see the different columns I have, and it's retrieving that information. We click on Lean Business Canvas, and you can see it submitted information. So I don't know how to pronounce this, AR Explorer. You can see it's added a startup name and a problem statement, and we have a startup name and a problem statement that is added. So this is how you test your functions. In another tutorial, I'm going to show you how to use multiple functions in your function set, because if I go back, if you see the actions, sometimes it allows you to create a new action here, which I think is actually relatively new. But here I actually have two functions in one. So I'm going to show you how to do that in another tutorial.